ela khona into enkinga ngalena awu kuyaye kuthi lapho usufaka amazipho uyitshela ukuthi uyakuthanda kwakumathandana wakwenzani wona lona sanibonani sanibonani ya sanibona molweni dumelang afsheng lochani goeiemôre ndalotshisa hayo yazi masilamana ngithi Sky I'm good Nelisa ngiyaphila baby how are you Neliswa I'm okay guys I'm very good actually just got back from work yeah ngiyabonga Thobeka Ndlovu ngiyabonga magatsheni Kate how are you nginikhumbulile isana zami how's everyone doing ngiyabonga Zime Shibu Azat Thabile Zulu Siyoyo Bonisiwe Panini PK Sinara Olani as the way I love you I even do what they must stop sending me the invitations I even have a folder of your pics Kolan, thank you so much Onani hi guys I am so tired ndikhathele like khathele see my makeup is cute oh ndaba omkhulu wazama ngiyabonga Thando thank you ulaye umuntu lo sangilaye umuntu lo sangilaye bakulayani-ke khululeka sisami uma muhle busuku bafethu ngibuye emsebenzini phela mina ngithi ngisebenza kwigagasi ngama-Sunday so uma ngibuye emsebenzini and we're live at the ICC so that's why I still look like this I just decided to look cute man I mean yeah ngikhathaleka manje muhle ngiyabonga ninjani thando zami how's everyone doing how was your weekend I already reached 2,000 likes muhle ngathi yimi yes manzi Izolo I attended a wedding and wed hatebu asitala ngithi ngiyabonga kubantu abangincamayo thank you man I attended a wedding and wed solo ngibuza ngombali I've reached 3,000k long time ago ilobola ngaliphinda ka3 hayibo phuphe buthakatha msezana noma sengingalala manje right mthiya ngiyabonga yesterday I attended a wedding umgaco endwedwe it was so nice noma ke sizahamba early ke because of unseen circumstances Londi, thank you for the gift, my baby. Londi Lons. Vanilla, guys, on the weekend. Vanilla, Benenzan. Can you sing Ismilo some way? Everything that's all pick now. I was like, it's all up, babe. Thank you guys. Thank you. Shem dasaski suits best letters can be porego some gilsim. Yes, ma'am. Where's my mother's hat? It's down. Zulu bag. Sumundi yasasemelika. But I'm not married. I'm not married. Wazi. Wangifanele sephoxela nidlisa. Ayibo. Thank you so much, Queen. Guys, ayinasangcomi kanjeni angithusa ke manje. Ngiyabonga. I think black hair suits me, hey? Ngicabangani guys? I think izimnyama zangifanele. Khona lamanye amakhala. I'm not sleeping. I just got from work. I'm still gonna go shower. Angilali and get my cups cooking off. Where can I order this doll? Zia. Thank you. You guys are so nice. Like, you guys love me, hey? You are so nice. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. You guys are so nice. You know what I like actually about my friends on social media? I can't say my fans. I always say my friends. Because I become friends with people on social media. Because I know that you always follow me and you follow everything that I do. And some of you have been following me from when I was still in varsity, even in high school. So those people are my friends. Whenever there's someone who's saying any bad thing about me, or ongisukelayo in any way, hayi lalela enqeni kumkhetha manje angiphenduli nje mina bayazi ayikho into engiphi any negative things or negative comments that one would say about me. Hayi ngibheje ngani mina ngiyabheja ngani ukuthi anithuli nimnqaka manje lowo muntu loyo nidile naye ngiyithulele nje mina ngiyihlalelele nimnqake nithi ngithi ya izinja zami ke lezi zinja zami. I love you guys so much. Like, you have no idea. It makes me so happy. Mina, no, it was not a Nigerian wedding. It was a Zulu wedding. Oh, thank you for the gift, Pumi. It was a Zulu wedding, but I was dressed like a Nigerian because they said I must dress in tradition. Mana wena la ake nginqake wena uka manje hayibo mthobi kanjani manje. Thank you. Abanganazi ke bafethu lapho ngabheja ngani akekho umuntu ozongikhuluma kabini khona nini. Khona ke la abahlezi banama bad intentions ngabantu hlezi khona nje kodwa create account from after yesterday. Nize nimtshele lo sikhotheni o create account u create namhlanje u create ukuthi angithuke ngoba nje ngiye emshadweni izolo. Obani igama private. Hayi wesami ke ngiyanazi ngiyadazi mina thatha ngaphenduli mina makhona umuntu okhuluma umsangano ngami angiphenduli ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi hayi ngithembe nini. Weziya. I know for a fact, girl. Like, I know. Someone was asking me, how do you handle bad, when people speak bad about you and rise about you, and people would go to and comment nonsense on your social media? I don't even respond. Mina, my friends on social media, whether it's TikTok or Facebook or Instagram, I get comments on kuluma ngabathuli. Waqala wabhala comment ebhedayo, khuleka khona uzokuphendula. Akubuza ukuthi uhlanga naphi. khona nje enye ivideo engiyipostile nobhuti uLinda. So my dress lebe ngiyifakile ibiveza like this part of my boobs. And number one guys, amabele ami mahle, I love them. Amabele amasamile nkosi yami mahle. Just that ukuvele lento le and emumva in the background becula ingoma ye gospel. Khona commentayo uthi kodwa amabele esontweni. Madam, are you serious? Are you serious right now? Really? Amabele esontweni kanjani? Hayi khuleka bamnqakile.